Meet Todd and his beloved bike. See that smile on his face? It's because of me. I transformed his bike into a 750-watt electrified force of nature. And here's our origin story.
Should I finally get it?
There goes my bonus.
You don't need an expensive e-bike.
Who are you?
I'm Kamingo, a bike bot that's about to transform your regular bike to an e-bike.
Ah, I'm late again.
All good, Todd. Just install me in your bike. It'll take 3 minutes.
You sure?
I'll time you. Motor, battery, controller, done. Let's start with cruise mode. No pedaling required.
Cool feature, but I've got a whole city to get through. I'm running out of time.
No worries, bro. I got you. In assist mode, my motor supercharges your legs. So hills, effortless.
Whoa, it's like I have robo-legs.
That's kind of the point, so let's roll. I crack myself up sometimes.
But what if I just want to ride it normally?
Switch to standby mode. I'm so light you'll forget I'm there. But I kind of think you need my help today. Todd.
What now?
Bluetooth lock. Pronto.
Oh man, oh man, oh man. I still gotta catch the train.
Embrace the pressure, Todd. Like I do. Applying just the right amount to maximize velocity while keeping your tires safe. And compared to an e-bike, I'm light. See? You made it.
Almost there. We good on battery?
Just over 90 kilometers of range. No stress. So just throttle up and let it rip.
Whoa, I made it. Thanks, Kamingo.
All good. Trade offer. 10 seconds to store me safely and I don't get stolen. Sweat-free, handsome, you got this.
Love these. And you're on time. What a surprise. Did you rush?
No need, just cruise. You look amazing, by the way.
You toy?
This turned my normal bike into an e-bike.
So you're not going to buy a new e-bike?
No need.
I want to try it. Let's race.
It's a new chapter in your life, Todd. Welcome to BikeBot life. By the way, it's Kamingo, as in come and go. I should be a comedy droid.